What's cooking? Good looking. Hi, boo. Don't they look cute? Hi, baby. Snacks. Hi, baby.
So, nigga, where you come from?
Snacky bugs. She been dropping that? What you got, D? You got a big bag of candy?
Before I pasta for you guys.
Hi, Snacky bugs. Hi, baby. They were so good in the nail shop.
Okay.
We're going on our first date.
Your wife, and he is you. Y'all got one of these. One of these. Good job.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You already know it.
So we're going on our first date since we had Dakota tonight. Watch Black Panther. So we came to get Diamond some snacks because he's not coming.
$43.39.
Snooks is coming though. This is not for you. You got some snacks, baby?
No, I got.
You got the snacks? Yeah, is he playing my jeans, boo? So she be excited. Look how nosy she is. She's holding on to mama like, I don't know where we at. Let me hold on to my mom to make sure I'm safe. Hi, Booger Butt. Hi, Boogie. Taking your girls on a date? I'm not. I stay up late now. Back then, I used to go to sleep around 12. Coco.
No.
Let me see. Hi, boo. Hi, boo. You get ready for Valentine's Day with your broccoli? Hey, boo. Okay, boo. Let's find you a good song. You want motorsport?
No.
Which one do you want?
I don't need a song.
Okay. You hungry?
Yeah.
You sound pretty hangry. It's not for you, it's for me. What is wrong with these kids? Okay, Papa, you feel better now? No more crying, okay? You gonna get your money, we're gonna go pay for your food? Okay, let's go. It's in the trunk, I'm gonna get it for you, okay? Hey guys, so today is Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday. And we are picking up some lunch. Maybe, maybe not. I think it's gonna work. But we're headed into the mall. Forgive my appearance, I literally just hopped out the shower and came and got some lunch. Today's a filming day, so I'm gonna go back and do some face masks because my face really needs some TLC. We're gonna get Chipotle and coffee beans today. But before we do, I'm gonna run and see if I can grab him a wallet from, I'm guessing Disney store, so let's see if they have one.
It's going down.
It's going down?
Yeah.
You did it. You did it, elevator. So Snooksy is sleeping. She has a cute little mint green onesie and some, these are for crawling, but I thought they would look cute right now as leg warmers, and then when we get back she's gonna practice her crawling. And just a little headband. So we're gonna go into Disney. Hopefully they have a wallet for him. Look, who's that, D? Who's that? You got Rex, you got Jesse, you got Woody. Where's Buzz? So for Valentine's Day, I got him Rex, Jesse, or I got Jesse for Dakota, but of course he plays with it. And then I got him Buzz, and I got him the movie to go with it, because I wanted him to get into movies. Buzz. And here's what's his name? Bullseye? He's the horse? Really cool, huh? Oh, they have baby Moana. Maybe I'll get Snook's baby Moana for to put in her Easter basket this year. It says 3+. I want to get her a doll, but I don't know if I want to get her a Moana or a real doll. So he just peed for the first time in a public toilet. Don't touch. No. I'll do it. Gotta keep some sanitizer.
Must be weird.
Come on.
Wait a minute. You're the most special person in the universe.
Back into the mommy bathroom. It's really nice. You have your stations to go ahead and close the curtain and nurse your baby. I used to come in here with it when it was just Diamond and I, but we haven't been in here since because it's for smaller hands. But the mommy sink, kids toilet, mommy toilet. That way he can go really, really low. It looks a little dirty in here today, so I'm not even gonna let him to it because he's already peed. But he pees standing up now, so it's easier for him to pee in that than trying to hit up like that. So yeah, that's it. Okay, let's go. You gotta pee again? You can stand up and pee. We don't fall in because this is kind of nasty. You got it? You gotta wash your hands with real soap this time. Oh, you actually had to pee again. Here, you can dry in the sister's towel. Out of convenience, I just put a diaper on him when we leave out, but I'm trying to teach him to be comfortable coming to the public bathroom. So it's a mess, but we're gonna get through it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we came to Children's Place. I know they have wallets here, so this is the section right here. They have Star Wars, Justice League, Spider-Man, and Mario. He picked up the Mario when he was like, "Ooh, Mario." I didn't even know he knew who Mario was. Which one do you want? Justice League? Baby, go baby, go baby, go baby, take it up, go, go. I'm successful in getting a wallet. The one that he liked was a little bit big, so I'm gonna see if I can find one that's a little bit more small. But he kept his money in his backpack. Come here, baby. So much energy. So his dad gave him $10 before he left for work this morning and told him to buy his own lunch today. Say hi! Yeah. He's gonna have a really good nap. 2 bowls today.
No meat, right?
No meat. Hi, princess. Cover your mouth. So dramatic. You got cheese and cream and guacamole. Wow. Can you ring them up separate?
Yeah.
Get your money out. He has his own money today. Get your money. Hurry up. Do you need help?
Wow. You're rich.
You pay for your food? You have to get your change, okay? You put it in your pocket.
Have a good one.
You pay for your, oops, sorry. Are you pay for your food? Okay, put your money in your pocket, okay? You gotta put your receipt in the bag and then you put your money in your pocket, okay? This is for later. You're gonna put it in your piggy bank. You don't see any kids today. Where's the kids? The kids are at school? Where? It's a store. They got jewelry. Wait. I'm not tickling you. Your necklace is too short. Let's put your necklace. It looks like a choker. There you go. Good job. There you go.
They're gonna fall. See, they're gonna fall.
Huh?
See, they're gonna fall.
The kids are gonna fall? What did you say? You drank all your water? Good job. Now I gotta drink out this coffee so I can get some good old energy. This Nix is about to cry because I caught myself trying to sit here. I can't wait to get back home. Good morning, lovers. I don't even know if you guys can see me. Maybe I should just go ahead and hold it. It is Tuesday. I don't think I vlogged any yesterday. No, I didn't. Say hi.
Hi.
Say good morning. Actually, afternoon. It's 1:30. So our cleaning lady switched to Wednesdays. I hate carrying this thing. It's so heavy. Like, I'm left-handed, so it's easy to hold it with my left hand, but that's the hand I drive with.
I pee-peed it.
You pee-peed outside? Where'd you pee? Good job. You told mommy you had to pee, and we had to make it happen, huh? Okay, so have a good day, Daddy.
I did it.
Where are you gonna eat right now?
Jump.
Okay, come on.
Label.
Pole bowl? Okay, come get in the stroller. So Diamond just had his first pee-pee outside experience. I don't condone peeing outside, but growing up I peed plenty of times outside because you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So I was gonna take him right now to the bathroom, but let him pee in the public toilet because we went to the store and I knew it was about time. But yeah, as soon as I got him out the car, he said I gotta pee, and he was holding his thing, so I knew he wasn't gonna make it to the elevator. So you did good job, right? High five. Oh, thank you. High five. You did a good job, right? We have Dakota here looking cute in her beanie. And Diamond, it's actually really raining outside, so we're gonna go in Disney, and Dakota has $100. So she's gonna share her money with Diamond. And I've asked Diamond, what does he want his sister to buy him? And he asked for Bullseye. Guess he has Woody. Get out and get it. You want this one? Careful. I think my son has a serious case of OCD. He has to take things out himself. Let's see what else we can get for sister. Or maybe she can get Tiana. I can get her both. You think sister would like Tiana? Okay, maybe we'll get the sister some clothes. I don't know if she really would do well with these toys yet. How do you say it?
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Is that what you want to pick? What are you going to pick?
I'm gonna pick Woody, yeah.
And sister just dropped her pacifier. So all he wants is this. He was going to get Bullseye, but he chose this instead. So I told him, I think this is only $10. So I told him to get a, he's excited, you see. I told him to get an umbrella with it. They're on sale for $7 and he doesn't want an umbrella.
Spider-Man. I have Spider-Man.
That's a big boy toy, huh? It's going to be lost within 24 hours in your toy box, huh?
What is that? Is that Bullseye?
It's not Bullseye. They have umbrellas on sale for $7.99 and it's raining today. He said no, he doesn't need an umbrella, so.
Go get a bag.
You have to pay for it first. What's your sister's money? Your sister's going to buy it for you? And next time you can buy your sister something when you get money, okay? You share. It's $10?
$10.
Okay.
$10 makes sense.
Okay.
Spider-Man. Does it make sense? Spider-Man? This is
Hi, baby girl. So sister had $100. They only spent like $40-something. He ended up getting 2 of those little things that he liked. He had the Spider-Man one, and then he put it back at the very last minute, literally when it was time to pay, because he's seen the Toy Story one. It's this little tiny action figures. Okay, so he switched them out and got the Toy Story one, and then when we got to the register, she said there were 2 for $20 or 1 for $15, so obviously it made sense to get both. So he got both. He got exactly what he wanted, and he got some stickers. Did you say thank you to sister?
Thank you, sister.
You can give her a kiss when you get home. Be careful.